Hi, this is William Brown with Terrace Pipelining, and we are at 8975 Northwest 198th Terrace in Cutler Bay, Florida. What you're looking at is the transition where it goes to the main line. I'm going to start pulling back slightly here. I'll show you what's going on in this pipe. See the indentation? Oh, hold on. See the indentation right here in the pipe? It means might be a little crack in here. All right. Down here you see this nice indentation right here. Extra scale buildup. Okay. Nice groove in the bottom right here in the pipe. Oh, right there, see that? There's a nice hole right there. Nice crack line. See that right there? Okay. Right down here, see how there's an indentation down in here and groove? There's a nice hole there, right there. And the indentation all right in here. See that crack right there is coming down? Keep pulling back. Crack coming. Nice indentation all in the pipe there. Oh, right there's another indentation. And there's like possibly a hole right there. See the crack that comes along right down in here? It's coming on the side, looks like, of the pipe. Extra scale buildup right there. I don't know why it's the picture on my camera phone here is going slow. But there's still the crack coming across the side of the pipe here, as you see. I don't know why the camera keeps turning off. There's a hole right there. Keep pulling back. See the heavy scale build up right there on the side. Still a bunch of heavy scale buildup right there. Actually looks like we're in a hole right there, but there's so much heavy scale buildup. And with the way the condition of the pipe is, you can't clean this too good. Since it's a kitchen line. Looks like a bunch of heavy scale on the side here. Can't really beat at this pipe and clean that off because it's going to break. Then you have no choice but to go through the floor and fix it. There's a small little crack coming down here. As you can still see it as it's coming through here with my finger pointing there. All right there, see it? Let's see, you tell right there, it's coming. Came through a little bit. Still heavy scale on the side there. There's cracks on the side over here. See this all over there? Some more cracking over here. There's a little bit of a hole right there. More crackage over here. Over on this side too. Still continuing over there. Some crackage over here. Continuing to come across. slightly. There's some cracks right there. See all that crack right there? Crack down here and a little bit down here in the bottom. Little teeny little hole right there. Right there, up, stop, push forward a little bit. Right there. Oh, pull back just a little bit. See, pull back just a little bit more. Right there. There's the hole going through the bottom of the pipe. Alright, keep coming back. And I think this is the end of the pipe. Yep, again, this is William with Terrace's Pipe Lining. And this is a prior video of the cracks and holes in the laundry kitchen slash line. At 8975 Northwest 198th Terrace in Cutler Bay, Florida.